All right, Mr. Godse, आपका एक सवाल है इनके लिए?
I completely agree with Mr. Nevatia over here. One of the things we've always noticed with all our portfolio companies is focus on their initial clients, especially when you're a very young company and the business you're in, you're building a brand. That brand is something you're going to leverage not just today and tomorrow, but 20 years from now as well. So building a very strong brand, एक बहुत सही बुनियाद you have to create. That strong platform only comes when you have the initial few clients who you service very well. You have limited resources, you've not raised funding yet. I was an investor in a brand, a coffee chain called Mocha, very recently. And one of the smartest things the CEO there, Riaz, did was he only focused on his franchising for the first 3 years. He didn't have capital, that was a means of getting leverage, getting other businessmen to invest behind his business through being franchising. He only focused on distribution. He had a great product. His manufacturing was limited. He only focused on distribution, got that right, got 1 or 2 cities right, and only then went to the big cities. So in your plan, you want to go to Delhi and Bangalore next. I would actually caution you. I would say after Kolkata, go to a small city and test it at a small scale. Make your mistakes on a small scale. Okay. And then go to the big cities where your brand will never be hampered if you make a mistake. Make your mistakes always on a smaller scale.
Alright, Kunal, आप जब इन 3 पैनलिस्ट के सामने हैं, although आप जो भी इस वक्त प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं उसके बावजूद यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इस इवेंट के लिए, इस हमारे पूरे इनिशिएटिव के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहेंगे, आपको इस इनिशिएटिव में प्रेजेंटेशन देने का मौका मिला है, which doesn't give you an advantage as such. You've been just kind enough कि मैं यहाँ खड़े होकर अपनी ड्रिलिंग करवाता हूँ, आप सब देखिए. तो thank you very much for that. But tell me one thing. आपके सामने ये पैनल है. If you had an opportunity to ask them for something, what would you look for? आपको अपने बिजनेस के लिए इस वक्त किस चीज़ की सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है?
The way I look at it is, thank you Shruti for that question. I'm looking to strengthen our weak points. One of the weak links in my company right now is branding. And I'm actively looking for good brand designers who can help me with the franchise model because I am actively trying to pursue that. Branding is something that I've been thinking about. I would love to pick the brain of our panelists to ask them how I can better strengthen my MIS systems. I believe I've got a good system currently in place because we're running a very lean ship, very effectively. But I'd like to...
No. Sorry, gentlemen. I would love to take your question, but this is already a very tough round for the presenter. He's already been grilled from 3 sides, and I'm also helping them. I'm also helping the panelists grill him enough. We will take your questions after all the 3 presentations are over. We would love to have questions from you, but after some time, please. Kunal, 1 second. Yeah, you were saying something.
I was just talking about, it's always a good idea. And for me, it will be a huge opportunity to be able to interact with anyone. I do try and associate myself with people who are very, very good at what they do. So speaking to Mr. Neotia, sir, I have utmost respect for you, and you are an icon. I would love to be able to speak to you and to Mr. Godse about how I could better improve at least my branding.
Branding is your concern. In fact, it is my concern too. Because आपकी ice cream का नाम है Fresh and Natural, or there is already a competitor in the market with a very, very similar name, Naturals.
Yes. Naturals in Bombay.
Naturals in Bombay and Pune and Bangalore and many other places that I don't know. और उनका भी USP almost आपके जैसा ही है, जिसमें वो natural ice cream बनाते हैं. In fact, I have to tell you a story. That gentleman is not here, otherwise he would have killed me. But I have to tell you this. It's really funny. मेरे एक मित्र हैं जो गए थे naturals ice cream का मुआयना करने के लिए, क्योंकि हमें बड़ा fascination था उनका देखने के लिए. तो जैसे ही मेरे मित्र वहाँ पर घुसे, उन्होंने कहा कि काफ़ी रिस्ट पुष्ट, काफ़ी healthy gentleman थे वो, जिनका naturals ice cream है. And he's like, बहुत ज़्यादा healthy है यार, ऐसे कैसे हैं? तो उन्होंने कहा आइए प्लांट विजिट पे मैं आपको लेके जाता हूँ. और प्लांट विजिट में जाते जाते क्योंकि सारे नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स थे, तो चलते चलते काजू का यहाँ से बादाम और वहाँ से थोड़ा चॉकलेट. तो आप अपनी सेहत का जरूर ख्याल रखिएगा. ओके, मिस्टर सुरेश राज, डू यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर हिम? आप उनसे कोई आखिरी सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे?
No, I want to know from you what message you want to give actually to all the audience here.
To the audience here?
Yeah.
I believe that if you're as business people, as an entrepreneur, I would say that creativity is something which is not really pushed in India. Indians are entrepreneurial, but we tend to copy. There is a wonderful book by two Harvard professors, in fact a professor and a student, called Blue Ocean Strategy. And I found that brilliant read. It talks about exploring and doing new things. Instead of trying to compete in the same market space, get value. Try to identify what value you're adding to the customers. At Fresh Natural, we are offering high quality without compromising on quality or raw ingredients at any point of time. We would rather stop making the ice creams than sell you an ice cream at an inferior cost. We would raise prices rather than sell you that ice cream at a lower quality.
Can I tell you one strength right now, or maybe a little difference that you have from Naturals? Naturals, I think, has somewhat stuck to very Indian flavors. ये wasabi ice cream मुझे सुन के बहुत ही अच्छी लग रहा है, because wasabi आप में से जिन्होंने Japanese ना खाया हो, क्योंकि मैंने 3 दिन पहले try किया था, तब मैंने wasabi. Isn't that sauce?
It's a disgusting flavor.
It's a disgusting sauce.
It's a very disgusting
Why
flavor.
do
In
you
fact,
want to put a disgusting sauce in a sexy ice cream?
It's a flavor which we're not used to, which is why we don't understand it. But it's a very, very popular flavor in Japan. If you have sushi, which is a current trend right now, wasabi is always there. And the Japanese love it. And we are very strong in our technical skills. We had a customer who threw us a challenge and we said, sure, why not? And we came up with the ice cream. He loved it. For us, the high point really was, it just so happened. It's funny how fate works that way. He had a Japanese contingent of 20 people who came, and they flipped. They said, how have we made this? In India, in Calcutta. They were amazed. So we were very, very happy.
Probably you should call it Fresh and Quirk or something.
Exotic and exclusive.
Sorry.
Yeah, he asked a question. I think I should respond to that, is about your branding and about how you can make this properly. I think there are two parts to it. One, of course, is that you need to let people know that you're in this business. You don't have the scale and the resources to really do branding in the traditional way that we look at it in terms of high velocity spending on advertising or whatever. Maybe that will come at some point in time. You need to focus on the few markets that you're serving and see that you have at the spot branding opportunity, use internet and a lot of those kind of things which are relatively inexpensive. But I think the most important thing, and that's what I wanted to say, is that long term में आपका जो product है उसकी consistency, that is your hallmark of your brand. It's the strength of the customer feedback जो बार-बार कहे कि यही आइसक्रीम मुझे खाना है. तो ये बहुत slow process है और इसमें काफी effort लगता है और उतना perseverance और patience भी चाहिए वो brand के लिए.
All right, we'll let you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you.
And all the best for Fresh and Naturals. I want the wasabi ice cream after the show. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.